Hello everybody. Today we are going to create a website using Weebly.com. So once you are on Weebly.com, you are going to click on sign up. It is going to take you to this site and you're going to put your information. Go ahead and put your first name, last name, enter your email. This is where you are going to be receiving information whenever someone wants to contact you. Create a password and make sure you click on I am not a robot. Also, don't forget to click on agree with Weebly terms and privacy policies. When you are ready, go ahead and scroll down and you will click on continue. Next, you will be taken to this site right here, and you would like to do, I want a personal website. So you are going to try the Weebly websites. That way you could create your portfolio. When you click on this, you are going to select a theme. There are many themes for you to look at. You choose any one. You also have up here different ones. You have business style, portfolios, so you decide which ones you want to do. Let's say I want to click on other, and I will go ahead and choose this one right here. When you click, you will see this and you could get that little preview of it. If you would like to choose this one, you click Start Editing. I would like to choose this one here. I click Start Editing. Now it's going to take you to building the all the information that you want. But you do need to select a domain name. This is where you are going to take this off and you could start putting whatever name you want. I highly suggest if you are using a username that you already have for everything, you could go ahead and click it here and see if it is available. So for example, I will choose Lamb's Magnet. I will click here on search. That way I will see if this is available. Once I click on search, you are going to notice that there is a professional domain, and this one you do have to pay. But at the bottom, there is a subdomain. This is the free one with the Weebly branding. This is what we want to choose. So if it is available, it's going to be here. So this one says choose. You click on choose, and now this is going to be the domain for your website. If it does not appear, let's say you choose something like Magnet Schools. If you click on search, notice that it says it has the name, but it says unavailable. So you do need to change this to something else. So again, you could start with whatever username you have that you want. You could type it, and if it's available, then it's going to say available, then you click on it. So let's go back and click on the one that we want. All right, so once you have activated your subdomain, you are going to go and start browsing on all the features. You click on build, and when you click on build, you actually have access to everything here. Let's say it's this one here, and you can move them around. You could put my site, and you could actually change this to something else, and you could say homepage. Then you could change all these information. You could click on pages, and it's going to take you to the different pages right here. So you could move everything around. You could change the names if you want to change it. You click and you could just say maybe it's math. Sorry. Then you click on enter, and then you automatically have that information. You go back, and now it is changed for math. You could click on about. Same thing, maybe this could be science and you're actually creating different ones for your portfolio or for the subjects for anything that you want. Now, if you click on theme, you could always change the theme if you like, and you could move it to something else. Let's say you want this one instead. Again, you could choose on preview or whatever it is that you would like to do. Okay, now something that I love about this as well is, let me go to the main page, is the build. When you are on the build right here, you have different elements that you could move around. So for example, right here, you could go ahead and if you don't want surfaces, you go ahead and click on the little X and it's going to take this off, but it's going to tell you, are you sure? Okay, so if you want to go ahead and do another title, you click, but you have to drag it, then you let go, and then it's going to be here, and then boom, you go ahead and start typing whatever it is that you want. Now, you could also put videos, but here is the thing. Whenever you see this little icon right here, that means you have to pay for it. So you could actually click and transfer it over here, but it's going to tell you that it's not available for your plan. The best thing you could do is actually any video that you have, upload them on YouTube under unlisted. That way you could only have it. Or when you have that, you click over here where it says show all elements. Click on show all elements, which you have more things to do. And then you could put this under YouTube. Let's say you want to put it under here, wherever it is that you want. Okay, and when you click on YouTube, click on this, put the URL, and then your video will appear. You could also resize it, so play around with this as well. If you have any files, you could do the same with files. So you could go ahead, send it over here if you like, and then you could go ahead, click, and upload any file of your choice. If you want to put a document, again, same thing, you drag it, you put it here. Once you have this opened right here, click upload that file, whatever it is, and then you could see it. Okay, so once you are done with everything, let's say you are done. Before you actually leave the page or exit out, please make sure you click on publish. When you click on publish, that's going to save your website, and then you could always go back and edit. So when you click on publish, it's going to tell you, boom, it's done, and it gives you your page right here. Now, this here, when you click, it's going to tell you, well, actually, it's going to take you to your website, and you're going to see how the audience or your public is going to see this template. So you can click on it and play around with it and see if you like it. Okay, so please be careful. Whenever you go back into your main page, please be careful to check that you click that publish. If you don't, you're not going to see the new changes. You only see the new changes when you click publish. It is very important for you to do that. Okay? All right, well, have fun with it. Best thing to learn about Weebly is for you to play around with it. You could move things around. You could even change the background. So play around with everything. Have fun. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will be more than happy to guide you if you need the help. Okay, bye-bye.